Ooh, well, look what showed up today, guys. What is this? Hey, look like a big old 3500 turbo diesel, Cummins turbo diesel. Oh, I can't get through there. A Wrangler and another L, Jeep L. Thought I can get through there, guys. Guess not. Yeah, I am trying to be nosy, see what we got on the truck. Oh, it's another one on the top. Another L. See that Tom Cook? These L's showing up. Fast as they show up, fast as they leave. Alright. So, but we did get a big Cummins diesel in dual. So, guys, we're starting to get back in the flow of things, guys. Remember, for a while, we stopped getting cars. We might as well sit back and watch him bring this off the truck. There you go. Nothing to it, guys. These guys are professionals. Yeah, interesting how you get those. You gotta be extra careful when you're dealing with two wheels. Dual. Alright, dually they call them. Oh, good. He didn't block me in. Hey, look at that Ford. Why is that Ford over here? You Ford owner, shame on you. I don't know. I'm messing with y'all. I got another L. You like Fords? That's your thing. That's your preference. Everybody has their own preference, guys. What's going on in the car deck? Look at that little Compass. Those Compass still selling? Hey, look at that lineup of Scats. Is those Scats? Chargers and Challengers. Look at the beauties. Look at that one now. I talked about that one the other day, I think. Look at the beauties. Oh, I predict 3.6, y'all. Nothing wrong with that, you know. And remember, I showed y'all the price difference between a new Challenger with a 3.6 versus a Pentastar. If you don't remember, watch this video right here. We discussed that, guys. So if you have an extra 10 grand laying around and you think you're gonna want that V8 power, get it, fit the bill early on and suffer later, okay? Because you're gonna spend more than 10 grand trying to get V8 power. I'm talking about with add-ons. Like I said before in that video, unless add-ons is your thing, that's a chore for you. You're a content creator and you like filming stuff. So if that's the case, then yeah, that's a different story. Go for it. Alright, guys, I'm at the job. I have work to do. Look at that little beauty there. So I'll get back with y'all later, man. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a long day today, guys. Alright, stay tuned. Oh, guys, take a look at this dually. This I think it's a 3500, but look at these. They waited till the very last minute to do these tires. I don't think I ever seen one that wore out this much. Whoa. Dude, man, how late you let them go? Did this one blow? No. No, this one right here. Did it blow from?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That one blew up.
He got every last ounce of life out of that mug. That one was on the way out.
The drill brake. Put a new module for it.
He what? Alright, guys, I don't think I ever seen a tire that worn out. Let me go back down here on my end and stop being freaking nosy. This ain't even nosy 30 yet. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Come on, man. Ooh, I want to see. So it was making a scrubbing noise? Come on, man. Of course it was making a scrubbing noise. Oh, man.
They got their money worth out of it.
Did you hear it when you was bringing it in?
Yeah.
Oh, you heard the scrubbing noise?
They was like, take your break.
So what happened to the squeak? It skipped the squeak part.
Yeah, hell, looking like that, it just skipped the squeak. squeak part completely.
Man, you might want to check the reel now.
Yeah, I think real fine.
Oh, yeah. Man, the freaking melon. We got them in stock?
Yeah. We got the pads and stuff. We don't have the rotors.
Why you doing the rotors? You ain't gonna reach it?
They gonna put it. No, we got the rotors in stock. We don't have the pads. We had to go get the pads from courtesy.
Oh, this that one side.
Put it on your van.
Man, please, man.
Shit, way more than your van.
That piston is all the way out. Man. Oh, no special tool to get it back in. Just
Ain't nothing special. It's a brand new, it's a new truck. 20,000 miles.
how many?
20,000.
20,000 miles.
20,000.
How's this possible? The brakes don't last 50 grand on.
They ride hard.
I guess so. Alright, man, let's go check on my dude with the diesel. Oh, looks like he's done putting the wheels back on. So let's go on this side, see how did these yeah, I think he replaced the rotors and the pads, so no big deal. Look at the size of this freaking how on earth do you let your car? Hey, you see this thing out? You gotta take that off or something?
Nah, I didn't.
Come on, Chan. Glad I was standing here and saw that. That could have been catastrophic. You could have failed. Ladies and gentlemen, when you hear a squeak, that is the time to check your brakes. When you hear a scrub, that is a sign that you should have checked your brakes. I'm laughing, but that's not funny, guys. Well, let's try to keep an eye on our brake sounds, okay? So we're done with this. Hey, what's this? A 3500?
3,500.
Oh yeah, I see right there. Cummins turbo diesel. Yes, just took a course on that the other day at the training center. Learned some fascinating things as it relates to replacing lifters and stuff. Don't plan on doing no time soon. Cab got to come up and all that good stuff. I actually got to get some of that footage up, edited, so I can share that with y'all. Yeah, I know this is the guy that ate up all his tires. Don't look like he got much long on these, but we'll see. That's all I got, guys.